Hey, how's it going, everybody? It is your man, Melinda Wiafe, coming at you with another awesome real estate video, which is designed to help you get started wholesaling houses, making a ton of money, and getting freedom in real estate. So today we are actually going to answer a reader question. All right. I really enjoy answering reader questions just because you guys always send me a ton of emails asking different questions regarding real estate, regarding wholesaling, regarding marketing, regarding negotiation, pretty much everything. Okay. And I love to answer these in video as well as answer your email questions. Okay. But before we get started, you guys, I want you guys to do a few things for me. Okay. Number one, I want you to hit that like button and like this video. Number two, I want you to subscribe to my channel by hitting that little ninja icon that should be on the screen. Number three, I want you to comment in this video below and let me know what your name is and what city and state you're from. And then fourthly, I want you to click on the little bell or the notification button just so that you can be notified every time I release one of these videos, okay? But are you ready to get started? I know that you are, otherwise you wouldn't be on here. So today I'm going to answer a question, and it is from Nick. And Nick had asked me, what, Daniel, is the best approach that one should use when contacting FSBOs or FRBOs online, okay? Now, for those of you guys who don't know what FSBOs are, that stands for sale by owner, and FRBO stands for rent by owner. FSBOs and FRBOs are some of the best leads that you can deal with, you guys, just because they're leads which aren't being dealt with by realtors, okay? And when you're dealing with for sale by owners, specifically for trying to land wholesale deals or lease option deals, what you want to do, you guys, Nick, if you're listening, you want to make sure that you keep your conversation as short and as simple as possible, okay? That's number one. Keep your conversation with them as short and as simple as possible. All right. So what you want to do is, once you get online with them, you guys, this is how it's going to go for the most part. OK, you're going to see a listing on an FSBO site or on Craigslist or wherever, Zillow, doesn't matter. OK, you're going to call them up. All right. And you're going to ask them, hey, I'm calling about the house at 123 Main Street. I'm looking at potentially selling it. Buying it. Can you tell me a little bit more about it? Okay. And your goal is you want to get the seller to talk. All right. The more you get them to talking, the better it is going to turn out in your favor. All right. So they're going to tell you a little bit about the house, yada, 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 whatever, whatever. Right. And then you want to ask them at least 2 to 3 questions about the condition of the property. Okay. These can be random questions. So you can ask questions about the roof, the ceiling. You can ask questions about the plumbing, foundation, walls, anything. Okay. Of that nature. You just want to get them to talk. All right. And then at the end of your conversation, you want to ask them, okay, if I come in and I pay cash, what's the lowest price that you can take is? What is that? All right. And then you get the lowest price from them. All right. And you ask them, are you negotiable on that price? Okay. Are you negotiable on that price? If they say, no, I'm not negotiable, I am sticking to it, whatever, whatever. Okay, fine. Great. Have a good day. But if they do say, oh yeah, I'm negotiable, or they say something that sounds like they will be negotiable, then what you want to do, you guys, at that point is you want to go ahead and schedule an appointment to go see them. Okay. Schedule an appointment to go see them, because what you're doing on this initial phone call that you're doing with the FSBO at this point, you guys, is you want to sell a appointment. Okay. So you don't want to sell them on them taking your half-dollar price, okay, for their property. Not over the phone. Okay. You want to actually get to their property and meet them face to face and be able to develop a physical one-on-one rapport with them. Okay. Where they know you, like you, and trust you. Okay. And so at that point, you guys get that appointment set, meet up with them. And then once you go over there, you're going to look at the good, the bad, and the ugly about the property. You're going to talk to them. You're going to converse with them, and then you're going to give them your offer. Okay. And your offer should be about 50 to 60% of ARV, or after repair value, at the highest. Okay. And that's basically what you want to do with for sale by owners and for rent by owners. Okay. Regardless of whether you're trying to pursue a wholesale deal, regardless of whether you're trying to pursue a fix and flip or a lease option or whatever, you guys keep the initial conversation with the seller on the phone short, simple, sweet, and to the point. Okay. Now, for those of you guys who are wanting to can make money with real estate, make money in wholesaling. You don't know what you're doing, you have bumped your head in the road, or you just haven't made money, all right? I want you to go ahead and watch my free webinar at houseflippingdojo.com, and the link should be below my finger, houseflippingdojo.com. Go there and subscribe to get on my next webinar teaching. We're going to teach some good stuff about how you can make up to $200,000 a year wholesaling houses, you guys. This is real, and I want you to be a part of it, all right? So again, this is your man, Daniel Wiafe, coming at you from beautiful, hot, and blazing Las Vegas, Nevada. You guys, it's like 200 degrees out here. No, seriously, it's literally 116 degrees out here in the desert. So I don't even know why I have this jacket on. But anyways, peace and God bless you guys. Bye.